Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index hovered around the 99 level on Monday, sitting near a 2-week low as traders position for what could be the Fed's final rate cut of the year. Global FX markets just came out of a wild week driven by shifting US rate expectations, the RBNZ decision, the UK budget, and fresh rumours of yen intervention. With more data ahead and the Fed chair selection still pending, currency volatility is likely to stay elevated. WTI crude started the week trading near 59.4, capped by rising optimism that a Russia-Ukraine peace agreement is highly likely. Supply pressure remains a key drag. US EIA data showed September crude output rising by 44,000 barrels a day, hitting a record 13.84 million barrels, adding to oversupply concerns. Peace talk headlines have been swinging. Prices sharp drops earlier last week, followed by a modest rebound as negotiations dragged on. Spot gold extended its rebound on Monday's European session, climbing toward $4,262. November has been a strong month for precious metals, supported by rising expectations of Fed rate cuts. Gold hit a 2-week high last Friday, while silver surged to new record levels, highlighting strong sector momentum. Softer US data and dovish comments from Fed officials have reinforced expectations of easier policy into 2026, drawing investors back into non-yielding assets like gold. Yen traded around 155.4 during the early European session on Monday. The yen was in the spotlight last week after hitting a 10-month low, with investors wary of potential government intervention. Since October, the yen has weakened nearly 10 big figures against the dollar. Sources say the BOJ is preparing for a possible December rate hike, a hawkish signal meant to counter the yen's rapid decline. But unless the BOJ commits to a sustained hiking cycle, a single move may not shift the broader trend, given the wide US-Japan rate gap. Euro regained positive momentum at the start of the week, climbing back above the 1.16 handle during the Asian session. Bulls are watching for a break above the 200-day moving average, which could signal a continuation of last week's uptrend as the dollar remains broadly offered. The euro is drawing strength from expectations that the ECB has paused its rate cut cycle. Minutes from the latest ECB meeting showed unanimous support for keeping all three key rates unchanged in October.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.